Hi everyone, it's Desiree back for another quick tip tutorial. I wanted to show you today specifically how to use Photoscissors. And if you've been watching the videos that I've shown you so far, you'll know that Photoscissors is an online tool, free, that allows you to remove the background from any image that you wanted to use perhaps in a virtual classroom. So I'm going to show you how to remove more from a virtual background of an image than maybe Photoscissors thinks you want. Okay, let's get started. So what we need to do first is upload our image, and I have an image that I've picked specifically because it has multiple items in it, and Photoscissors thinks I want to keep several things, but I just want to keep one thing. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so Photoscissors is done processing, and you can see that it says, I think you want the globe and I think you want this stack of books. And you can see on the left-hand side, it's made them green to show me that those are the things that I'm going to keep. If you look right here, there's a button with a green plus, and what that means is you can actually highlight anything and turn it green, and it will stay in the picture, and then everything else will become transparent. What I want to do is I want to get rid of the books in this picture. I just want the globe. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the tool next to the green circle, which is the erase. And then I have this little shape guy right here. I can make this as big as I want. Because I've got a pretty clean area to work with, I can make it really big and do this a little bit faster. So I'm just going to make a couple swipes and remove my green, and watch what happens when I let up. Now the books are gone and I just have the globe. I'm ready to save it. Remember, I don't want to pay for anything, so I'm just going to download the low resolution image. And now it's actually ready. I'm just going to open it up so you can see it. It's actually ready to put into my virtual classroom. So let's go ahead and go back. I just wanted to show you what it would look like without the books. We'll go ahead and go back to Chrome, and I'll get my window up here. There we go. I'll get out of Photoscissors, and I'm back to my virtual classroom, which you've seen a little bit earlier in other videos. You may have seen that I've added a few things as we're going. So let's go ahead and get that globe in here. I'm going to go to the image and upload from computer. And when I use Photoscissors, these items automatically go down into my downloads folder. So I just need to click on downloads, and then you can see there it is, just the globe. And boom, I have this beautiful globe. Now I'm going to resize it a smidge because it's kind of big, even a little smaller, and I'm going to put it right on my table. Now some of you might be, and I hope some of you are saying, all right, Desiree, your globe has a large unused area, and that could cause some problems when you get ready to do some layering. So that's easy to fix. I'm sure you all remember, if I double click, I get my crop lines, and I can then take and cut as close as I want to this globe without touching the image, right? And then confirm it, and now I have this nice little globe sitting on my table. I might make it a little bit bigger because my floor lamp looks like it's a monster lamp. And then we can start adding a few more elements and doing some layering. Okay, so I can't wait to make the next video because we're getting into the fun stuff.